Rhan allweddol o ymrwymiad y Comisiynydd i gadw ein cymunedau'n ddiogel oedd gosod systemau teledu cylch cyfyng newydd ledled ardal Dyfed-Powys. Caiff y camerâu newydd hyn eu rheoli o stafell fonitro ganolog yng nghanolfan gyfathrebu'r heddlu, lle mae'r tîm yn gweithio i sicrhau bod ein cymunedau'n ddiogel ac yn saff. Mae effaith y system teledu cylch cyfyng eisoes yn hynod gadarnhaol.
Of the 155 cameras that are across the force, approximately 153 of them are full 360-degree pan tilt zoom cameras. So gone are the days are the big box cameras that look in one location and set. You know, we've got all these cameras now are pushing straight back into the Force Communications Centre, which is the heartbeat of Dyfed-Powys Police, where all our phone calls come in, all our 101s, all our 999s, and the officers are also dispatched from the headquarters as well.
Yn ogystal â helpu atal a chanfod troseddau, mae teledu cylch cyfyng hefyd yn cynorthwyo'r heddlu i ddiogelu pobl agored i niwed yn ardal Dyfed-Powys. Gall y tîm helpu i chwilio am bobl sydd ar goll neu bobl sydd mewn trallod meddwl, gan helpu i gael diweddglo cadarnhaol.
We received a report from a worried mother that daughter was in the garden, all of a sudden she's gone. There was concerns that she'd been missing in the past, that she'd been approached by older men in a van previously as well, that tried to coerce her into the vehicle, and that she potentially had a mental health issue which was undiagnosed. So there were massive, massive risks for us as an organisation, huge concerns for the mother, from both of the parents really. But within 5 minutes of that call being received, because we knew the area and my operators knew where the cameras were, we were able to successfully locate that female and direct officers straight to her location within a matter of minutes. I'm really proud of the system we've got, and I think the public will be very proud of it as well.
Mae diddordeb mawr gan y Comisiynydd Heddlu a Throseddu a'i dîm i arwain y ffordd wrth ymdrin a chamddefnyddio sylweddau drwy ganolbwyntio ar ddulliau sy'n atal. Dros y 2 flynedd nesaf, bydd gwasanaethau Hywel Dda Powys yn cael eu hailgomisiynu i gynnwys ffocws mwy dwys ar genedlaethau'r dyfodol, ynghyd â pharhau i ddiogelu lles pawb o fewn ein cymunedau. Mae di-das a kaleidosgop yn ddwy asiantaeth y mae'r Comisiynydd yn gweithio'n agos â nhw. Maen nhw'n ceisio mynd i'r afel ar stigma a wynebu'r gan bobl sydd â phroblemau cyffuriau, alcohol ac iechyd meddwl.
DDAS is funded by Welsh Government and the Police and Crime Commissioner's Office. Our focus is to work day-to-day with police officers and offender managers in probation to manage offenders in the community around their risk to public protection and around the risk of their day-to-day crime. We do this in a variety of ways by working with individuals on reducing or ceasing their drug or alcohol use. We share intelligence with police officers, and we jointly run initiatives such as test and arrest referral pathways.
Glasgope's an organisation that works with people with drug and alcohol problems. As part of our work, we work with the police on a regular basis, whether it's in the custody suites, attending regular multidisciplinary meetings to case manage offenders. A chunk of our budget does actually come from the Police Crime Commission, and subsequently our performance is reviewed on a regular basis through a contracting, monitoring and review process.
Fel yn y blynyddoedd cynt, yn 2019, cynhaliodd y Comisiynydd i'r raglen ariannu cymunedol. Mae hyn yn gyfle i grwpiau lleol wneud cais am gyllid ar gyfer prosiectau sy'n gwneud gwahaniaeth o fewn i cymunedau. Mae'r Comisiynydd eisoes wedi ymrwymo i fuddsoddi 100,000 o bunnoedd tuag at amrywiaeth o brosiectau a gyflwynwyd gan y cymunedau. Mae wardiau Glan y Môr a Thisia yn Llanelli yn cael ei ystyried ymhlith y wardiau mwyaf difreintiedig yng Nghymru, ac mae cryn dipyn o waith ar y gweill i fynd i'r afel ar rhai o'r heriau o fewn y cymunedau hyn. I weld holl fideos ein Adroddiad Blynyddol ac i ddarllen adroddiad llawn y Comisiynydd, ewch i'n gwefan.